If you are like me, you probably joined Grok to generate videos with artificial intelligence, but you already realized that they are getting paid up to $30 per month. This artificial intelligence tool. So today I'm going to show you how to use Group, or at least its algorithm, in a parcegi free. How do you know that we already love it in this channel? To do so, we are going to access this page, and what we are going to do is, as usual, register with our main mail, or the one we will be using. Let's see these carrots here on the right, and I have to make an. We will be able to use groups, but we will be working with a credit system, and I will explain later on how we will be able to generate credits totally free of charge to be able to use groups on an unlimited basis. And before I show you the trick, I'm going to show you how it works, this application, and how we can use Group on this platform. We are going to generate a new project, and we are going to hit it here in workflow. Let's select it, and we start. That's how I learned it. This is how I explain it to you. Once we were already in this workspace, what we will have to do is simply to eliminate all these elements. And now, being here and already playing, deleted all, we are going to do is select here. And in this case, we are going from image to video in order to generate a video from an image that we have already selected. What we are going to do here is first here in model, we will select directly Ruckus down here. And let's leave it in 5 seconds. And resolution 720p, you know that because of this is charging Ruck directly. Let's upload an image, which is the one we have here. And while charging the image, we are going to paste this one, prompt of the scene we want to be performed. So having this image here, and having the text that will guide you to artificial intelligence about how we want the scene is going to be executed. Let's see that here it is. We vary the duration. Will increase our total credits in this case. Carrotstatis. I have referred to the program to generate the scene, so let's give it in executing, and we will wait to see the result. And well, when it ends, it simply remains for us to verify what it has been. Te result. We see that it is a result. Kitegut. What would remain here would be to download it and be able to use our file, but as you can see, we have 40 credits of the 90 initial credits we were given. So this is the part of the tutorial where we learn how to get free credits. For this purpose, the only thing we will do is to return here to Robonio, and what we will do is copy this link and open it in a window, or you can Google it directly. And we open it right and open it like a page, incognito on Google. Or in Break that I am using, right to open in a private window. And here, what we are going to do is to be very tempting. We are going to check in with Robonio, but we are going to use this other platform or page that will provide us with all the things we need. And we are going to use an email, temporary as we have it here. Let's wait to generate the mail, and we will register in this hidden window. With this new email address you have here, we copy it. Simply click on Login here. Mail. Let's register with mail. Let's place erete mail. And here we are going to generate any key 1 to 3 4. And we are going to hit you in register. There, he will ask us to. Let's send a security code to the mail before. For him, we must generate, I don't know, a theme of a CAPTCHA, if I'm not wrong. Correct here, we see the CAPTCHA. The only thing we are going to do is to execute it. And we are sent the mail. So let's go here to our mailing page. Temporary, let's update it. And let's wait for it to arrive. The code to detect that we are a real person with 100% real mail. Let's hit it here, and it tells us 6742. 6742, and we give you the following. We are going to wait for a missile or refresh it to the will of the 2, and we will have our account. Our second total neon theft account. Registered now, what we are going to do is the following. We are going to go to our tab Start in the account that we mainly want to use. And let's hit it here, invites friends. Look, we have 3 codes. Let's copy the first one. Remember, we have it in this account. And in our second account, we are going directly to redeem invitation codes. This is a tutorial, supremely simple and easy. Here, we are going to simply glue the code that generated us from the main account, and we will confirm. Let's see that here. From 70, we will go to 120 credits. And in our other profile of 40, let's refresh the page here so that it appears to us. It had already appeared to us. We are going to have 90 credits available for use, not only group, but the others. Models we have just seen, or what we saw now that we have been doing, the process of how to use, in the case of image to video, artificial intelligences, or the algorithms of artificial intelligence that are available. Here, we need to make it clear. On our own, we will simply have 3 codes to redeem. But it is much more profitable. Create accounts, use what we require to pay $30 per month with Grok directly. So friends, that's all. I hope this tutorial has served you well, and take advantage of it before it is patched, because this flies, so make the most of it. Leave me your like, leave me your comment. Remember, this is Latin Tech, and I am your friend David.